The concept Kundali was a very useful tool to point out and identify my weaknesses. Hi, my name is Ayush Lonakadi. I am a student of Fiitjee Mumbai 4-year classroom program upgraded to 2-year integrated program. I have secured an All India rank of 706 in JEE Advanced 2023. According to me, the main ingredients to achieve success in examinations like JEE and KVPY are consistency and dedication. You need to be consistent in your classwork, be it any failure in exam or distractions due to social media or likewise. Being consistent will help you achieve your goals part-wise and you will be able to achieve your higher goal at the end. For me, dedication towards this goal came from the love for science and maths which I had since childhood. The deep interest in these subjects always motivated me in this preparation. Dedication is a very key factor because without dedication, you will get distracted and you will not be able to focus on your ultimate goal. So staying dedicated and focused towards your goal is very important. The major challenges I faced during my preparation were time management during the examination and fluctuating performance. To resolve both these problems, Fiitjee helped me a lot by conducting various mock tests like FCATs, FACE tests, AITS and various other. The mock test helped me keep the right mindset during the examination, which helped me improve my speed and manage my time very well. The mock tests helped me to stabilize my performance, maintain a good score and also avoid silly mistakes during the examination. Fiitjee's concise question booklet and regular quality testing like FCATs, FACE tests, AI2TS, AITS helped me strengthen my concepts and identify my weaknesses. The concept Kundali was a very useful tool to point out and identify my weaknesses. Overall, Fiitjee's system has been instrumental in my JEE preparation. I strongly recommend to start early because that helps to lay the foundation in the concepts and helps you tackle the problems faced by students starting in 11th standard. I joined Fiitjee in 9th standard as I had got strong recommendation from my seniors who had passed out from Fiitjee and had secured very good ranks. A message to the new aspirants of JEE is JEE Advanced is a really tough examination, but if you believe in yourself and stay focused, you can even get a better rank than mine. Fiitjee's faculty has been very helpful. They have guided and motivated me throughout my journey. They took all my doubts promptly and never hesitated to solve it at any time of the day. But first and foremost, my gurus are my parents. My father and mother have put equal efforts in helping me secure this good rank. I am very grateful to all teachers, my parents and peers who have helped me sail through this journey and overall Fiitjee's system. Thank you.